Hi everyone, it is Julie with Saltmixology. How is everyone? It is Monday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it's February 3rd, 2020. And yes, I'm continuing our terpenoid molecule lessons, and today we're going to learn about hermiterpenes. Okay, but I just added on to the slideshow that we already have going. Okay, so we're just going to do an overview, okay? And so why is it important for us to learn about organic chemistry when it comes to essential oils? Well, we want to know what the constituents in the essential oils are. And the reason why is because here at Salt Mixology, we don't just use essential oils. We're also using extracts, salts, all kinds of different things. And so we need to make sure that we know the flash points, we know what constituents are in the oils, and we want to be able to have that synergistic effect with as few essential oils as possible because they're expensive, and plus we want to rock them. All right, so here we go. Let me see if I can change the slide. Okay, so we want to know the purity of the oils. And let me see if I can get here. How do you change it? Change. Phew. Hey, at least I got it in the window. Okay, so we want to know the purity of the oils, okay? And the reason why we want to know the chemotype. We want to know what is the derivative of the plant itself, okay? We want to know the chemical properties in there, which are like the constituents, the compounds. So we can identify the medicinal properties, and then we'll know exactly, what to mix with what. We'll have that knowledge of what was it? Atoms that come together, they form molecules, and then the molecules form compounds. Remember that? The terpenoid molecules. Okay, so this is any class of compounds characterized by an isoprenoid structure like that of terpene hydrocarbons. Okay, now the terpene, it's any of the various hydrocarbons found present in essential oils, and terpenes are actually the largest single class of compounds found in essential oils, also called isoprenoids. Okay, so I'm still doing an overview. Now, a chemical compound, it is the chemical substance composed of many identical molecules of atoms from more than one element held together by chemical bonds. So an atom is the smallest particle of an element, but still having the same chemical properties of that element. And there are over 100 kinds of atoms. So by combining all of these atoms in different ways, we can make anything. Atoms are so tiny you really can't see them, and that's why it's so cool when you start combining things and you have compounds and molecules. You can actually see those, okay? We went over the head to tail rule, which is important because they will start connecting with each other. And then that way, once we start going over, like we're going over hermiterpenes today, but next time we're going to go over monoterpenes, and we're going to be building upon that. And so then we'll be able to put those together, layer them, and then you can actually see the synergy, which is awesome. So this is quick, super duper quick. Hermiterpene, there's 25,000 terpenoids subdivided according to the number of 5 isoprenoid units. So hermiterpene, it's any terpene formed from a single isoprene unit with 5 carbon atoms. Okay, what is that again? Hermiterpene? Any terpene formed from a single isoprene unit having 5 carbon atoms. The most prominent hermiterpenes are conifers, which are like evergreen trees, poplars, which is like it's a wood tree. It's a softer wood tree, and they use poplar wood actually in a lot of furniture building. It's the wood that you really don't see. It's like what they build the frame on. Oaks, willows, and herbs, hermiterpenes. That's where most of them are found. So that is that. I hope that helps. I hope that helps. Hermiterpenes. Next, we're going to go over monoterpenes. And if you find any of this content helpful, please subscribe. You know, my salt cosmetology partner and we had to rebuild our channel, and so we would be pleased if you would subscribe and hit that bell. And later, I know she's been wanting to go live for a while, but there's been some things that have been going on, and so and then I did something stupid to my face. Did a chemical peel. I don't recommend it. Anyway, but you know, I like to experiment on this. I need to stop. But I know she wants to go live. She's had some questions from some of her peers about some of our like blush, foundation, and things like that. And so I know she wants to go over that. And so we will probably be live later. Don't know when. Depends on her homework schedule and what her schedule is like, because she's a student. But everyone, don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and then you know when I upload or when we go live. Bye. Julie with Saltmixology.